Okay, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to study the second part of life cycle of animals. In this part, we're going to study the life cycle of animals that give birth. Okay, that when they give birth, they will have the babies that look similar to them, but just looks smaller and younger. Okay, so here are the life cycles of the following animals. The male sperm cell fertilizes the egg cell in a female. Okay, for example, the male dog. The male means boy. Okay, it's boy, but it is older. Because there are adults already. Okay, the male means the boy. Okay, the boy sperm cell fertilizes the egg cell in a female. The boy and girl, okay, they have they unite and then they will have a baby. The female becomes pregnant. The girl will have a baby inside of her womb, okay, and then it will give birth to a baby after some time. The young looks the same like its parent but much smaller. Okay, they will go through many changes before they are fully grown. These animals are split into two groups. So there are two groups of animals that lay baby or lay that lay young. Okay, the first one are the mammals. Okay, say mammals. Okay, mammals are the dogs, cats, elephants, horses, cows, buffaloes, rats, whales, dolphins, seals, and humans. Oh, even humans are mammals, okay? Because we have this mammary gland, okay? We are called mammals. All right, this is the first group of the animals that give birth. The second group are fish. For example, the wrestling half-beaks. Okay, this is a wrestling half-beaks. And then guppies and moles. Okay, these fishes are giving birth to a baby. Okay, just similar to the same look that they have, but just looks smaller and younger. Okay, this is the life cycle of a dog. This is a young, we call it a young. Remember, young. After birth, the young looks like its parents. Look, they look the same, right? But the young is much smaller and younger. Its body organs are not fully developed. Okay, it's not the same. It's not fully the same as the adult. Okay, this is the adult. They look similar but not fully the same. Okay, the adult. Okay, this is the adult. The young fully grows with its organs fully developed. They can make their own baby. Okay, when the animal is adult already, it can have its own baby. All right. Next is the elephant. This is the baby elephant, which looks like the adult but much smaller and younger. This is the baby elephant, and this is the adult elephant. A baby elephant looks like its parents, but some of the parts are not yet fully developed. Okay. Next, we have the cat. Okay, the cat. Do you have a cat? Do you have a cat? Who has a cat? Oh, some of you has a cat. Naman has a cat. Okay. Okay, this is the baby cat. The baby cat and the adult cat. The adult cat is bigger than the baby cat. The baby cat looks similar but not fully the same. They're just similar, but the baby cat is smaller and the other part of its body is not yet fully developed. Okay? So here are the guidelines to protect the life cycle of animals. So how do we protect the life cycle of the animals so that they could have more babies? So how do we protect them? Number one. Okay, this is it. Number one. Do not hunt or catch animals during their breeding season or when they are laying eggs. Don't hunt animals that are laying eggs. Okay?
Eight number.
Later, later. Okay, I will tell you later. Just listen first. Okay? That is number one. Do not hunt or catch animals during their breeding season. Number two, cut down trees because forests are home for animals. Don't cut the trees, okay? Okay, when you grow older, do not cut trees. Okay, it is better to plant trees than to cut them, okay, kids? Number three, do not throw dangerous waste on the ground. Do not burn grass and do not use insecticides on plants because all of these destroy the soil. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, the grass and the field is being burned and that's not good for the plants and also for the animals. First of all, the air will be infected and also the soil. Okay, so that is not good. Okay, okay, this is a picture of a man that is spraying insecticide, which is also not good. Okay, don't spray insecticide, especially when you grow up. Number four, protect natural resources like water because it is good for the living of animals. Okay, the animals need water, right? Just like humans, and they need a clean water. So we need to protect the natural resources like this, okay? Because it is good for the animals, and the animals need it for their living. Number five, do not do activities that pollute the air. Example, factory works, burning garbage, and these activities bring many changes to the weather. Okay, we should not do activities like this. Okay, there are things that we cannot control. Like for example, the factory works because we're too young for that. But maybe we can control the burning of garbages. So do not burn garbages. And when you see your parents or someone that is burning garbages, tell them that that is bad. Okay, we can spread awareness to other people as well. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, this is also bad. Using very small nets. Okay, because that is bad for the small fishes because they may get caught too. So they will not be able to reproduce and grow as an adult. Okay, hold on. I'm going to share another screen for the part 2.
So next part. This is number spot. Okay. Okay, so next one. This is C page.
Okay, now you're going to open your book. Okay, we're going to move on to the exercises. Are you ready for the exercises? These are the written activities, so you will need your book and a pencil as well, okay? Open your book to page 46. This is how it looks like. If you can see Teacher Lance, this is how your page 46 looks like. So if you're in here already, we're going to start, okay? Are you ready, kids? Ready? Okay. So these are the eggs, okay, and the adult. Adult means the grown version of the animal, okay? The adult version, okay? What we're going to do is to follow the questions or the instructions, okay? Number 1. Number 1, what are the animals shown in the pictures? Is it A, mosquito, frog, cockroach, and dog? Or B, moth, lizards, flies, and cat? So what is it? Is it A or B? If you want to answer, you can just unmute your microphone and answer, okay? Is it A or B? Number 1. What is it? If you answer, you will have 3 points.
B.
B, moth, lizard, flies, and cat. Who else wants to answer? Is it A or B? If you want to answer,
A.
unmute. A, or somebody answered A. Okay. It is letter A. Mosquito, frog, cockroach, and dog. Look. Okay, there's a mosquito, there's a frog, there's a dog, and there's a cockroach. Okay, so it is a life. These are the life cycles of the mosquito, frog, cockroach, and dog. Okay. Okay, when you're finished, raise hand. Press the raise hand button. Like this. Okay? Oh, Benjawan is us. Prim is finished. It's only 1 minute, okay? Benjarat is also finished. That's Naman Small, right? And Lakim is finished also. Okay, the time is up. Alright. So the correct answer is letter A. It's letter A. Mosquito, frog, cockroach, and dog. Now, next, fill in the blanks and complete the life cycle of the animals by writing numbers in the boxes. Okay. The stages of the life cycle of a mosquito. Is it mosquito? Okay, mosquito. Is it A? 1, 8, 12, and then 3? Okay, is it 1, 8, 12, and then 3? Or B? 4, 6, and then 10? Is it A or B? Who wants to answer? Okay, Lakim again. Go Lakim. A. Okay, I will not say the answer yet. Just write it first, okay? I will say the answer later.
It's two.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Sure, take your time. That's only 1 minute.
A.
Yeah, I will tell the answer later, okay? Lakim says A, means says A. So what do you think is the correct answer? Okay, Naman Small is finished. Earth is finished and 4. Okay, time is up. The correct answer is letters A. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. Okay, this is the egg of the mosquito. And then this is the larva, or it is also called wriggler. And this is the pupa of the mosquito, and this is the adult mosquito. Next, the stages. Okay, the stages of the life cycle of the frog. Is it A or B? You don't have to say it, just write it on your book, okay? Okay, Earth is finished. Good job. You have 1 minute for this one. Okay, I think time is up. The correct answer is letter B. 4, 6, and 10. Look, there's the 4, the egg of the frog, and then 6, the tadpole, and 10, the adult. Okay, this is how the adult of the frog looks like. Next, the life cycle of the cockroach. The life cycle of a cockroach. When you're finished, raise your hand. Oh, press the raise hand button, okay? Oh, Prim is finished. So fast. Is it A, 2, 11, and 7, or B, 5 and 9? So what do you think is the correct answer? Oh, Lucky is raising her hand. What do you think is the answer, Lucky?
A.
A. So we will know it later. Okay, who else has the answer? Who else knows the answer? Okay, later we will know. Oops, time is up. The correct answer is letter. What do you think? It's letter A. Okay, we have here 2, 11, and then 7. This is the egg of the cockroach, and this is called the nymph. This is the baby cockroach. It's called nymph. And then we have the adult. This is how the adult cockroach looks like. Okay. Okay, next. The life cycle of a dog. The life cycle of a dog. Oh, they are finished already very fast. Okay, your 1 minute starts now. Wow, a lot are finished already. Very fast, huh?
Teacher, page เท่าไหร่
Page 46, the last part of page 46. This part, can you see it? Okay. I think time is up. Is it? Okay, next question. Knowledge summary. I want you to open your book to page 47. Here we're going to fill in the blanks and draw the life cycle of the animals in the given space. Okay, here is the example. I have the example drawings. You can copy it, and also you can have your own drawing. Okay, but if you want to copy it, here they are. Okay, this is in page 47. You have 1 minute for every box. Okay, your timer starts now. Okay, your 1 minute starts now. 1 minute is up. Next, if you can finish, it's okay. We can just you can just rewatch this video. Okay, next. Life cycle of a butterfly. 1 minute again. Time's up. Next.
Simple answer.
Teacher, no finish.
It's okay. You can just continue later. Next part first. Okay. It's okay. If we still have time, we will go back. But if not, you can just watch the video again, okay? Okay, time's up. Next.
Finish.
Okay, next. Okay, here are the guidelines to protect the life cycle of animals. You can write it on page 47, the lower part. I will show you. Okay, this is the lower part. Okay, you're going to write here the guidelines of how to protect the life cycle of animals. Okay. For the number 1, you have 1 minute, and then 1 minute for every number. Number 2.
Teacher, page.
Okay, next, number 3. Do not do activities that destroy the soil. Number 1, do not hunt animals during their breeding seasons or when they are laying eggs. Number 2, do not cut down trees. And number 3, do not do activities that destroy the soil. Those are the things that we have discussed a while ago. Okay?
Teacher, please slowly.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
4.
Finish. Okay, let's go to number 4. Protect natural resources. Okay, it's okay. It's still in the same page. Okay, don't worry, it's still in the same page. Don't worry. Number 4, protect natural resources. For example, the water resources. Okay.
What is it? The slow.
Okay. Okay.
Teacher, ใจร้อน
คุยกันได้ยังไงเนี่ย
คุณนั้นเปิดไม่อยู่
It's okay. Don't shout. Okay, gun is finished. Okay, next, number 5. This is the last. Do not do activities that cause air pollution, like in the what do you call this? In the companies, right? So if we cannot do that, if we cannot avoid that, just don't burn garbages. Okay. We discussed this already a while ago, like the things that we should not do to protect the life cycle of animals. Okay, some of you are finished already, lucky. Maybe this is going to be the last part. So you're just going to finish it and then we're going to conclude our class.
So this is how we all of them were
Finished?
So
Not yet.
A, that's 0. A,
No, finish.
Okay.
Finish.
Okay. Take your time.
A, and lastly, sequence that's the last part of the and today. First time we're going to 60 bucks. Actually, our so really base and pictures.
Okay. Finish, everybody? Finish? No.
No. No, my friend.
Okay. I will give 1 more minute.
Only this is
1 more minute.
all options there 5 5 and all future with
Okay. Time is up. You can just continue it later. Okay? Okay? What if... Okay, for the part that you're not yet finished, I'm going to send the file. So don't worry, okay? Alright. So that's it for today. Today we had the second part of the life cycle of animals, which we discussed the life cycle of animals that gives birth, okay? So that's the part 2. And also we had the activities, the written activities for today. So that's all. I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance, and also I hope that you enjoyed this class. Bye everybody. You can say goodbye to your friends.